I started Silvertech as a small factory in the year 2005. Initially, I didn't have any specific products. It's whereby a customer comes in with a products which they need to be molded. So I had to make molds, then I make the products as the customer comes in. In 2015, Silvertech incorporated to a limited company, where now we commercialized by specializing in certain products. We have several products like frying pans for frying chapatis. Also, we have a juice squeezer. We also have fasteners, window fasteners, window stays. We also make motor vehicle spacers for lifting the motor vehicles. Also, we make chips cutter machines for restaurants. And also, recently we started innovation of cream cooking stove. The stove which uses ethanol as a fuel. As I started the production of the grills, I realized the market is wide. That's why I've been consistent, or I kind of specialized in LPG grill plates. We manufacture for most LPG companies here in Kenya. Our source of scrap metal, we source from aggregated scrap dealers. We weigh the scrap metal there from the ring scale. Then we bring it, we sort out here to get the best, or the ones which are more safer to smelt. Yeah, we prefer hand aluminum because it has more viscosity to flow to the mold cavity. We normally reduce the scrap metal from the environment. We don't buy new aluminum. We just target the old one, which are already not any longer useful to the motor vehicles, which can't act as a spare parts, especially the damaged one. Our business supports so many families who collect the scrap metals. Every month we buy like 3 to 5 tons every month. KCIC coming in as our partner, we were able to do some more innovation like the clean energy stoves. Also, we maximized our production. We were able now to handle bigger clients than before. Also, KCIC has supported us in different ways, giving us opportunities to go and do expansion, different expansions. Also, they have bought us the purifier there. That purifier is to reduce the impurities and moisture in the used oil. Right now, we have decided to do some more innovation. Short term is improving the products, like for the stove, improving the stove, and for the grills, we also increase the production and the targets more LPG companies. For the long term, we are plan to do more innovations, more products. Silvertech, we are top of the game.